Hi, my name is Botshelo Molete and I am the fashion designer behind Mekhukhu. So Mekhukhu is inspired by the process of building a Mekhukhu. So my look for the runway, I do not want to describe it, but it is in line with the Mekhukhu philosophy. There's like upcycled materials, the garment that you can wear up and down. How we've styled it for the runway is down because it's easier to envision it if you style it up. I do have a favorite fast track of all time, that is Mekhukhu. He's been able to be himself, be incredibly creative, but also think about how that translates into numbers and units, and he's been able to do so much with the stage that AFI has given him. So I absolutely love Tebe. If you have a song or a message that you want to give to someone, absolutely don't just keep it, give it, share it to the world. We need that. Look at how much Tebe has been able to do for us because he wanted to be a designer.